equals the blades on your Thermomix TM31 make a terrible noise while mixing. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The noise usually happens because the blades are damaged or misaligned. We can replace the blades and make sure everything is running smoothly. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.